what
We're here at Bloomingdale's
So,
at the Gardens Mall here in Palm Beach Gardens, Florida. Oh, what the heck is this thing? It's got modded.
yeah.
Scooter 3. It was a modded. It was a Vector that got modded for sure. I love how this just slapped this directory on the side of the piano. Call cancel button there. Honestly, it's not a bad elevator. It's just why do we take a perfectly good Montgomery and decide to modernize it? This thing is rough. I believe there's a map. $2,500. Check out that lantern though.
Better engineer than you are, man. You know?
Yeah.
Right. Right.
Oh yeah, there goes
Right.
the elevator.
Yeah.
And I guess that is gonna be it for me.
Right.